Hi, Mike with Zap Glue, sitting with the AMA, and we're talking about Plasti-Zap. This is one of the specialty glues that Zap has to offer. We offer it in a drip bottle as well as a brush-on. Now this is designed for plastic models, but don't forget about this when you're working on those model airplanes, because when you're looking to put some detail work, maybe in your cockpit or on the pilot itself, or maybe in some other spots, this is great for plastic to plastic. Now I've opened up one of the brush-ons, and if you saw a previous video where we talked about the brush-on with the Zap-A-Gap, this is very similar. You've got a nail polish style brush, and then you've got a swiper inside the bottle. In this way, you can really control, think about putting instruments on the panel inside your cockpit, maybe putting some accessories on the pilot, things of that nature. That's where these are really gonna shine for you and making that model airplane a little special, make it stand out at the flight line. I look forward to seeing those airplanes that you're building and some of those additional accessories using Plasti-Zap by Zap Glue.